Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Benefits of Ya Salamu Wazifa. Ya Salamu, the perfection and giver of peace. The first benefit of Ya Salamu Wazifa. If one recites Ya Salamu 1000 times daily after Fajr Salat, will be healthy when dying. At the time of death, he will be safe from blindness or handicap. The second benefit of Ya Salamu Wazifa. For a serious patient for whom doctor has no treatment, do fresh ghusl, then wear white dress. Recite the above mentioned Darood 3 times. After reciting this, recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim Ya Salamu 3000 times. Again recite same Darood 3 times, then blow on the patient, also blow on water and medicine and make patient drink and eat. Do this 3 to 5 or max 7 days. Inshallah, patient will be fine. This Ya Salamu Wazifa is the best Wazifa for any type of patient. The third benefit is if a person became unconscious, recite Ya Rahmanu Ya Salamu 300 times while sitting near the affected person. Inshallah, he will become conscious. The fourth benefit of Ya Salamu Wazifa. Woman whose children dies because of Saban, she should start reciting Salamun Qawlan min Rabbir Rahim 3 times and blow on food and eat it, or blow on water and drink. Do this amal from day first of pregnancy till the delivery. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share the video to your friends, relatives. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.